Come on. It's green. Let's go. What's the matter with this guy?
Looks like he's coming to tell you.
Lock your doors. Lock your doors. Wait, no, wait. I am tired of running and hiding. Are you tired of running and hiding?
Yes, I am.
Remember, Jake, courage is not the absence of fear. It's taking action despite fear.
That's very true.
Let's do this.
Right behind you. Two against one wouldn't be fair. Now that's courage. Aren't you proud of him? You got your cell phone?
It's only for emergencies.
I think this qualifies.
Charlie!
Hello?
Hi.